Okay, it's a quick video on embedding your Voki in Etudes. Um, the embed code for Voki doesn't have the S at the end of HTTP, so I'm going to show you a quick way to get the correct embed code to make sure these little Vokis show up correctly. So I'm on my Voki page. I'm going to click Publish Your Voki, and this is going to give me different sizes if I want. I'm going to try large out. And then this giant code here, this is bigger than a normal embed code, but I'm going to go ahead and click in here. And then if you click on the keyboard, Option F or Control F on a PC, you'll get this little thing that pops up down here. And this is to look for stuff. So I'm going to just search for HTTP, and then I'm going to select Highlight All. And you can see that through this whole code for Voki, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 places that I need to add an S at the end. So I'm just going to add an S here, add an S here, add an S here, and so on. And this is just so that we won't have any problems in Etudes. So now that I've highlighted everything, I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to go into Etudes and hit my embed button. Actually, let me show you another thing to do. Before we embed it, I just want to show you a good thing, a good best practice. Just because Voki doesn't support closed captioning, you can actually just copy and paste the transcript from your Voki next to the Voki. So this is a good thing to do. So instead of hitting embed just straight off, I'm going to make a table, and it's going to be 2 columns, 1 row. And on the left row we'll put the Voki, on the right row we'll do the transcript, so it'll look nice. Border size 0. I want it to be invisible. Cell spacing I usually put 5, and cell padding I put 5, and then we click OK. And here's our table. So now that I'm in here, this left side is where I'm going to click the embed code, paste it in. I've already added my S's to HTTP, so that should be fine. I'm just going to click OK, and then we get our Voki right here on this side of the table. I'm going to click in this side of the table, and I'm going to go back to Voki. I'm going to click Edit right underneath my Voki. And because I use the text to speech function, I could copy it here. I can copy the whole thing here. So I'm going to copy that text and go ahead and paste it here. Now, I've made a few. Voki doesn't always, when you use the text-to-speech function, sometimes you have to edit your language, because I had it written influence our daily lives, but Voki read it as lives. So you have to sometimes spell things out phonetically. So let's see what this looks like. I'm going to save it, and then view it, and let's see how it looks. So the Voki's working. this is something different down here. But, and I like that this is next to it, but I don't like how compressed it is. So I'm going to go back to author mode. And then I think all I need to do is stretch it out. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. So now I'll click Save. And then we'll click View. Perfect. So now I have my Voki and my transcript from the Voki right next to it. And it looks good. So that's a quick little tutorial on the Voki and the little extra step of using a table to include the transcript. Thanks for watching.